Good morning. This is your man Brandon Campbell coming to you live with another video on credit repair. What they don't tell you. If this is your first time watching, thanks for watching. Click the bell notification so I can let you know when I upload more content. And with that being said, let's jump right in. And for all you new subscribers, welcome to my channel. Credit repair. A couple things they don't tell you about credit repair is that most credit repair companies only have a 25% deletion success rate. And many credit repair companies will not tell you this because they want to sell you on the thing that they can delete anything off of your credit. Oh, we can delete anything. We can remove a bankruptcy from last year when in reality it's not true. And a lot of the things that they do and a lot of techniques they use to get this stuff removed is often illegal and could also often lead to hurting your credit report down the line when you move on to bigger stuff. For us real entrepreneurs, us real business owners that might want to secure $150,000 to $500,000 in funding. Well, see, the tactics and techniques they use only help you to become a better consumer. Which is what got you in the situation that you're in now, having to go to a credit repair company. Is better ways of doing things. See, another thing they don't tell you is about the stuff that they delete, the type of data points that it removes from you, your credit report. And oftentimes these data points can be key factors on getting you some real funding. And when I say funding, I'm not talking about this credit card stacking. You get a $25,000 credit card here and a $5,000 credit card from over here and a $70,000 credit card over here. Well, I'm talking about some real business funding, some that you are able to actually walk in the bank with your Dun and Bradstreet number, open up a bank account, and that same day say, "Hey, Mr. So and So, we can give you a $50,000 line of credit or a $75,000 line of credit, which is what you want to go for, because them line of credits can be translated into writing checks, which can turn into cash and which can turn your life around right now today." And another thing that these credit repair artists, I don't want to call them artists, but credit repair companies don't tell you is that it takes time to remove the stuff, but they just keep charging you monthly. Oh, and keep writing these same old letters, and that FICO and the credit bureaus are onto these little 509, 529 letter, I think it is, that they're using. And the moment that a credit repair company sends that from uh, their company, they red flag it. So it's an automatic no. Mm-mm. They and then they hit you with the uh, now this has been verified and accurate letter, and then they have to write another letter and another letter just to get this, and supposedly to increase your credit score. Another thing that they don't tell you is that a lot of people with an 800 credit score, 825, still cannot get approved for real business funding. Lines of credit, business credit cards, both in the same. Oh, man, I know what you're thinking, but didn't you say previously about getting credit cards and credit card stacking? True, but if you got your line of credit and you have your God forgive me, and you have your line of credit and you have your credit card, you would be well on your way to being a productive entrepreneur and being able to do things in your business to help you grow. People, when you're out here shopping around, man, be careful about these credit repair companies, because they ain't doing nothing but hurting you and hurting your credit and hurting your chances on future financial growth, and that's what we want so we can grow true wealth. With that being said, I'm out. Y'all have a nice day. Like, share, subscribe. Hey, if you got any questions, feel free to leave a comment in the inbox below. I will answer every single comment. And thank you and have a great day.